Today I've got something really exciting. We'll be unboxing the new DJI Motion Fly More combo. If you've been thinking about getting into drone flying, or if you're already a DJI fan, I think this is definitely something you don't want to miss. And let's get into unboxing the package. This should be the extra accessories that comes with the DJI combo, and we have got the DJI Neo Drone, and let's keep it aside. I think now we have the new DJI goggles N3 that was released recently, and this is the battery pack of the headset. Seems well built for a budget headset from DJI. Let's remove the protective peelings. As you can see, it's pretty good for half of the price from the previous DJI goggles, which is DJI goggles 3. Normally that is priced like twice of the MSRP of DJI goggles N3. It has rubber flaps and good amount of cushioning to block the lights, an adjustable strap, and now let's keep this aside and get into the main drone, which is the DJI Neo. Let's unwrap and see what we got. It feels really lightweight, 135 grams to be exact, and the included battery. Let's take off the protective lens cover. Should be pressing from top. Yeah. Looks really cute and seems well built for the price, because the official price of just the drone is 169. And let's keep this aside and see what we got in the other box. This is the DJI RC Motion 3 controller. Feels well built, so no complaints there. Let's put it to the test later. And I think, yeah, they have included a free lanyard for the controller, and let's see how easy it is to get this attached. Pretty simple, and the lanyard feels really good. Let's keep the controller aside and see what else we got with the package. Yep, this should be the two-way charging hub for the batteries of DJI Neo, which can charge all 3 batteries at once. Doesn't feel cheap, so let's keep that aside. What else do we have in the box? Little bit of paperwork, and I guess we got some stickers, DJI stickers. Let's see how many stickers we have got. Yep, total of 5 stickers. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's keep those aside, and a little bit of paperwork, quick start guides and warranty guides. Yep. Let's keep those aside, and let's see what else we got. We have a small screwdriver, an extra propeller, 2 extra propellers with the package, and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. That's it with the package. Thank you all for watching this quick unboxing video, and hoping to see you soon with another video.